guys, it's Zombie Deadman, and we're about to see my cat. Here we go. Hey, Shay. Oh, here comes my Puffin. Hey, Puffin. You're in the film. Shay? No, Shay. No. Okay. Well, hello there, big boy. You got no tickle spot, do you? Or do you? I don't know. Do you see any tickle spots? Get your tongue. Lay down. No, not on me. Lay down. No, like, oh my god. Dogs. Problems. Can you get that close to the camera? Where's your tickle spot? There we go. What else? Oh, Shay. There she is. That was my dog. Okay. Hey, Shay. What you doing? What are you? You're pretty. You look like a...
She was looking up.
You look like something. Come here, Shay. No, face the cam. Face the cam. Oh, you're so pretty. What about this, huh? What about that? Hello. Well, that was it, folks. Zombie Deadman, out.